Morning, everyone. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to keep this PG-13 because a lot of y'all don't like profanity. Whatever. Like we haven't heard it. But finally got the truck back. The one I bought. Just give y'all FYI on what happened. Basically, Heartland Express. Yes, I'm gonna bash y'all real quick. Because y'all can't drive for crap. And y'all's insurance suck. Like, really. Y'all think, oh, yeah, we hit you, but it's no problem. We're going to make it the least expensive for us. I'm here to tell you full of horse crap. But anywho, life goes on. So, what happened is, this moron from Arkansas, I'm already in a sleeper berth, as you know, well, you wasn't there, but anywho, I was in a sleeper berth, and dude's driver's side trailer smacked into my driver's side headlight in that general area. Needless to say, I had to replace the whole headlight assembly. I had to sit over and the trimming area on the body of the hood where my headlight assembly, is, had to be replaced, buffed out, smacked out, all kinds of different stuff, iron it out. And this is what dude had to say. This is what's so funny. That's why I'm chuckling. Is that, oh, I thought I cleared you. Oh, hell yeah, you cleared me all right, buddy. You cleared the hell out of me. And for that, I'm going to tell you retards out there. And you are a retard if you do not apply this knowledge. They tell you in school, or common sense will tell you, and I know a lot of y'all don't have that. And I feel sorry for you. Okay? But this is what royally pisses me off. Is when y'all don't get out and look, and y'all have gold written on your mirror and everything. It stands for, literally, get out and look. Means get your fat rear end out of the truck. Go around the whole perimeter. I don't care if you got to walk around this bad boy 4 times and the idiot across from you in the Peterbilt sees you walking around. Okay, he knows you're going to be new. Or you're inexperienced. You might have a year or whatever behind your belt. Alright, fine. To this day, I even still get out and look. If I ain't sure, hell yeah, laugh at me all you want. But you'll even laugh at me even more if I didn't get out and look and I smack into your brand new Peterbilt.